Sup guys, Juggalo here, and I'm using my tripod and I am sitting right behind my tripod, so hopefully you guys can hear me alright. But I'm just gonna show you Sony Vega Movie Studio Platinum, and basically I was able to make an intro within probably 2 to 5 minutes or so. And I'm going to show you how the program works and everything, and having 3 screens definitely helps. Let me see if I can zoom it back. Alright, I might have some difficulty trying to capture everything that I'm trying to show you guys. I'm sorry about that. But let me go ahead and bring up Sony. Okay, then we go to, and it should bring up this little deal right there. And here it is. This is Sony Vega Movie HD Platinum, and this is what you want to use it for. This is what you use 3 screens for. And then if you look right here, sorry about that, you have text, video overlay, video, voice, music, and sound effects. Okay, so what you want to do is pretty much grab anything that you want to edit or do an intro. So how I did my intro, basically made it smaller, and I went to a folder over here, has some free intro loops. See, here's one of them. This is what I used for my video intro. It looks pretty cool. And then you have one that has like a night intro, like you have a whole bunch of intros, and these are just video loops. Okay, now I'll basically take the biohazard intro and I'll go ahead and drag it underneath here. Alright, and then I expand it like so. So here it is right there on how long it is, and then right here is a video of what it looks like, so you can see what your video looks like on the fly. Well, I know for sure I don't want this thing to run 21 seconds. So basically, if you go over here, you can go ahead and shorten it to the length of your liking. And I'll go ahead and do it for like 8 seconds or whatever. Like so. Okay, let me go ahead and zoom out. And then after that, alright, we're going to need some music in here. So we're going to go ahead and open up my music folder, I should say, on my 2 terabyte hard drive. I go into music, and I'm going to go ahead and drag this track over here right where it says music. Okay, drop it right there. Then you can see it's really long, and I don't want it that long, so again I'll go over here and I'll make it shorter by grabbing it and then just matching it up with the video. So go over here. Alright, and now we have our intro pretty much with music. Alright, what do you want to do if you want to add some text? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go up here. Whoops, I accidentally clicked the wrong thing. Right here, then you're going to see insert text media. And then it's going to bring you up a little screen. It has sample text and all this stuff. Like, it's ridiculous on how many kinds of text they have. And basically I'm showing you what I did to do my intro for my PC news you can use. And I downloaded some custom fonts, and they're free. It's called like free 101 or 100 and something fonts. But I'm going to go ahead and just pick one out, okay? And then I want to do this that's a little too big, so I'm going to go ahead and make the font size smaller to like 16. And then this is what I did. Let me go ahead and I'll type in PC news you can use. Oops, didn't type. Sorry about that. PC news you can use. Alright, then if you look over here, it gives you a display of what the text looks like. Well, I don't want that text to be looking like that, so I'm going to go ahead and do it like that, and then I'm going to hit the center, align to center, and then basically what I do is drag it and drop it over here. Okay? And then from there, I go back, and then it has some neat little settings that we can do. Well, we can adjust the color of the text. And so we go here, and this little blip right here, what you can do if you want, you basically click it and you drag it over to here, and you can say, for example, click it on here, and I'll make my text that color, like so. But also it gives you other colors as well, and pretty much you just drag it to anywhere you want. So I want a little more vibrant green, like so. Let me go ahead and zoom out. Sorry about that. Okay? And now, from there, we got the way we want. Now we can use animation. Now this is the cream of the crop pretty much to make your things look pretty good for our intros and everything. And let me zoom up a little bit. And then here we go. We have all these little deals right here. And what I chose is, the first one I did this, and you guys really didn't like that, was the flashing glow. So what I chose instead was the rolling glow and enlarge. So that's what I chose. And then let me change the text to the way I want it. Go up here, and then just go up until I see 7. And then see, you can change it. Here it is right there. PC news you can use. Alright, and basically what you can do is just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make this a little longer, the text or whatever. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go ahead and extend it a little to match it up. Alright, and then all you have to do right here is hit play to start or whatever to see what it looks like, and here it is right here. We go ahead and click play, and that's what it looks like. I don't have the music playing and everything, but that's what I did for the intro. Then after that, you can go exit out of here because that's done. So what you would do is you go up to the top and you would click make movie, like so. You're gonna save it to my hard drive, to your camera, burn it to a DVD, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna save it to my hard drive, and it's gonna give you what kind of video format you want. I'm gonna use this format right here, and then you just give it a name. So PC News Intro 3. So I'll go ahead, click render, and I'll go ahead and render. And definitely I can tell you right now that me having a 6-core processor definitely helps out in rendering. Like the video I made was probably, that I did yesterday, was probably maybe 10 minutes of rendering. So we'll go ahead and let this load up real quick. And this is sort of like what I'm basically becoming used to and how to use the program. This isn't a full-on tutorial about this program or anything like that. When you get this program, it has a CD with it, but it doesn't really get in depth in a lot of things, so I'm going to go ahead and have to basically figure it out on my own. So, okay, this is already opened or saved or whatever you want to call it. We can go ahead and click open folder, and then here it is right here, PC News you can use Intro 3, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to open up the media, and then let me back it out, and there it is. That's what it looks like. So that's how you do a little intro. It's pretty nice. I'm definitely liking this program. And you guys comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button. You guys have a great day. Bye.